How to use negative targeting in Amazon PPC. So when it comes down to negative targeting, it's really important to note that there are two main ways to negate. Either you negate in exact match, which means that the exact keyword or the exact ASIN you're going to add as negative exact. Either you're going to do a negative phrase match, which basically means that if you have the keyword cat furniture protector, for example, and then everything, let's say that this is showing in the search terms that people are typing dog furniture protector. Probably there's someone looking for that product, but if you know for sure that your product is not for dogs, that is dog. It is one word that you could add as a negative phrase match, meaning any search term in this case would be coming up with those specific word dog in it, is not going to be shown anymore. Now that would be the way how you would use negatives, and really important if you want to have this systemized. What you would do on a weekly basis is downloading your search term reports and look up which are the words, either the full words, either just part of the words that did not generate any sales, and those are the ones that you would be negating.